Hello, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is the Fairy Village Challenge. The host is Grandma Sandy. The co-host is Bloom Your Creativity and Gigi's Creations and myself. I hope you enjoy my little fairy garden that I made out on my deck from geraniums that I bought from Lowe's for $1. Here's the beginning of my village, my fairy village. As you can see, the geraniums need some work, so I'm going to be working on those. And I'll show you what I have after I get them cleaned up. Okay, here's what it looks like after I cleaned off the dead flowers and some of the dead leaves. We bought these at Lowe's for 25 cents. And we cleaned them up, and we'll see how they do in our little fairy garden. Here's our fairy village. We got this ice cream house. We have a little butterfly mushroom. We have these little mushrooms that are a clothesline. And here's our fairy with our... Here's our other little fairy house that's actually a flower. And you don't have a fairy village unless you have an ice cream cart or an ice cream truck. So we got us an ice cream truck. There is our fairy garden. Dollar General. Dollar General. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree.